Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your front brake pads on this 2004 Ford Expedition. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First you need to pop this cover off. There's a couple of tabs right here where you can get a screwdriver in on this side and on the other side. Just pry it up and pop this cover off. Then break loose your 21mm lug nuts, jack up your vehicle, and then take your lug nuts and your wheel off. First thing we're going to do is pop this retaining clip off. You can just kind of pry and work it out. It'll pop right out eventually. You might have to put a lot of leverage on it to get it to pop out. Now we need to remove the slide pins. There's usually caps right here. You'll take that cap off and then you'll see that slide pin right there. The other slide pin is right down here. Now we need to pry the caliper off from the bracket here. So just take a screwdriver or something, stick it in here, work this in and out. You're just going to keep working it back and forth and pulling it out. We're going to pop our old brake pads out of here. This one you'll need to pull out, kind of clips in there. I've got a brake caliper piston press right here. I'll have this link down below where you can get this online. We're going to take out the number 3 disc, this pad, and one of these presses. You're going to set it up like this so that this plate pushes here on the caliper, and this number 3 piece goes into the caliper, and then you just twist this and you'll see that it pushes the caliper piston back in. You'll notice that this one's kind of pushing out a little bit. Sometimes you'll have that happen. What I do in that case is once I get this one pushed all the way down, I'll take an old brake pad, set it in here, and then press the other one, and that brake pad helps keep the other one from pushing back out. Got a new set of brake pads here. I will have these linked down below in the description where you can get these online. You take the one with the clips here. You'll press it in here until it clicks in tight and sits up flush with the pistons. Should look like that. Now if you got new hardware with your new brake pads, you're going to pop them onto these tabs right here. And the same on the other side. Then take your outer brake pad, set it in here like that. Now we're going to take our brake slides out here. Then we're going to set our caliper back on here. Make sure you don't get your brake hose twisted. Then we're going to take some of this brake and caliper grease here. I will have this link down below where you can get this online. And we are going to coat our brake slides with it. You've got your brake slide coated here. Put it back in, and then do the same to the other one. Now we need to put this retaining clip back on here. I start by putting the top peg here in this hole and then getting this piece on the outside and then push it down until I get this piece over top of this bracket down here. You're going to need 2 hands to do this, but then I pull and pry this back and tap it into that hole. Sometimes you need to use a hammer, but sometimes you can just push it in by hand. Now that you've got this retaining clip in, just go do the other side. When you're done with the other side, push your brake pedal in until your brake pedal gets stiff. That pushes your brake pads out and squeezes them on the rotor. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.